Hello, welcome to you all in our channel Banking Preparation. Today we are here with the important MCQs of banking, and if you want to know about more MCQs of banking, please check the link in description box below, and for more please visit our channel. Now let's start the video. Question number 1. In Nepal, the inflation is calculated on the basis of which of the following index? Options are A. Wholesale price index, option B. Cash reserve ratio, option C. Consumer price index, option D. Sensitive index. The correct answer is option C. Consumer price index. Number 2. NRB known as lender of last resort because option A. It has to meet the credit need to citizens to whom no one else is willing to lend. Option B. Banks lend to go to NRB as the last resort. Option C. It comes to help banks in times of crisis. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option C. Nepal Rashtra Bank comes to help banks in times of crisis, so it is known as lender of last resort. Number 3. Which is incorrect with regard to powers of Nepal Rashtra Bank? Option A. Issue notes. Option B. Controls banking system through licensing. Option C. Supervises banking system through inspection. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option D. None of the above, because these A, B, C are the correct functions or power of the Nepal Rashtra Bank. So option D. None of the above is correct answer. Question number 4. Lack of access to financial services is technically known as, options are option A. Financial instability, option B. Financial stability, option C. Financial inclusion, option D. Financial exclusion. The correct answer is option D. Financial exclusion. Number 5. Demand draft is, options A. Not negotiable instrument, B. Not transferable instrument, option C. Negotiable instrument, and option D. Quasi-negotiable instrument. The correct answer is option C. Negotiable instrument. Question number 6. What are the facilities available to the customers through ATM? Options A. Cash withdrawal subject to a predetermined limit per day. Option B. Cash deposit. Option C. Balance inquiry. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Number 7. To restrict expansion of credit, the Nepal Rashtra Bank, options A. Raises the bank rate. Option B. Reduce the bank rate. Option C. Freeze the bank rate. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Raises the bank rate. Number 8. Which of the following is included in bancassurance? Option A. Insurance policies issued by the banks in their names. Option B. Selling by a bank the insurance policies of its ancillary insurance company. Number C. Selling by a bank the insurance policies of any insurance company, and option D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. Number 9. To control inflationary situation in the economy, Nepal Rashtra Bank can increase one or more of these monetary tools. Option A. CRR SLR bank rate. Option B. SLR CRR base rate. Option C. CRR SLR repo rate. Option D. CRR SLR reverse repo rate. The correct answer is option A. CRR SLR bank rate. When there is an inflationary situation in the economy, Nepal Rashtra Bank can increase cash reserve ratio, statutory liquidity ratio, and bank rate. Number 10. In the term of IPO, P stands for option A. Provisions, option B. Public, option C. Private, and option D. Prudent. The correct answer is option B. Public. IPO stands for initial public offering. Number 11. Loan given by the banks to farmers or small shop owners etc. is known as option A. Corporate loan, option B. Business loan, option C. Priority loan, option D. Commercial loan. The correct answer is option C. Priority loan. Question number 12. Balance sheet of a firm indicates which of the following? Option A. Profit or loss over a period. Option B. Financial position of the unit over a period. Option C. Financial position of the unit as on a particular date. Option D. Position of assets and liabilities over a period of time. The correct answer is option C. Financial position of the unit as on a particular date. Question number 13. Bill of exchange, promissory notes and checks are defined as option A. Negotiable instruments, option B. Trust receipts, option C. Documents of title to goods, option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Negotiable instruments. Bill of exchange, promissory notes and checks are defined by negotiable instruments. Number 14. NRB was established on option A. April 26, 1955, option B. April 26, 1956, option C. April 29, 1955 and option D. April 29, 1956. The correct answer is option B. April 26, 1956. Question number 15. What is macroeconomics? Option A. Macroeconomics deal with economic activities of the level of an economy as a whole. Option B. It deals with only a segment of an economy. Option C. It deals with both A and B. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Macroeconomics deal with the economic activities of the level of an economy as a whole. Question number 16. Free trade refers to option A. Free movement of goods from one country to another. Option B. Movement of goods from one country to another free of cost. Option C. Unrestricted exchange of goods and services. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is unrestricted exchange of goods and services. Question number 17. First bank established in Nepal was option A. Nepal Industrial Development Bank, option B. Nepal Bank Limited, option C. Nepal Rashtra Bank and option D. Agriculture Development Bank. The correct answer is option B. Nepal Bank Limited. For information, Nepal Bank Limited was established in November 15, 1937 AD and in Nepali date Kartik 30, 1994 and it was formed under the principle of joint venture and joint venture between the government and general public. Question number 18. GATT stands for A. General Agreement on Tariff, Tradition and Trade. Option B. General Agreement on Tradition and Trade. Option C. General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. Question number 19. Expand LIBOR. Option A. London Interbank Offer Rate. Option B. London Interbank Official Rate. Option C. London Interbank Offer Ratio. Option D. London International Bank Offer Rate. The correct answer is option A. London Interbank Offer Rate. Question number 20. In TRIPS, what does I stands for? Option A. Intellectual. Option B. Information. Option C. Innovation. Option D. Infra. The correct answer is option A. Intellectual. The full form of TRIPS is Trade-Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights. Question number 21. Through which of the following sources domestic funds are raised by companies? Option A. IPO only. Option B. FPO only. Option C, commercial papers only, and option D, both IPO and FPO. The correct answer is option A, IPO only. Number 22. Expand CRAR in terms of banking sector. Option A, capital to return assets ratio. Option B, capital to risk assets ratio. Option C, capital to risk assets range, and option D, core risk assets return. The correct answer is option B, capital to risk assets ratio. Question number 23. Which of the following terms is not used in banking or financial related matters? Option A, discount rate. Option B, letter of credit. Option C, check clearing. Option D, law of motion. The correct answer is option D, law of motion. Question number 24. Which of the following would fall under the category of retail banking? Option A, home loans. Option B, personal loans. Option C, car loans, and option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 25. Credit is a, option A, stock concept, option B, flow concept, option C, a stock flow concept, and option D, a holding concept. The correct answer is option C, a stock flow concept. Question number 26. Economic planning is an essential feature of option A, dual economy, option B, mixed economy, option C, social economy, option D, capitalist economy. The correct answer is option C, social economy. Question number 27. Which of the following can be called as national income? Option A, net national income at factor cost. Option B, gross national income at factor cost. Option C, net domestic product at factor cost. Option D, gross domestic product at factor cost. The correct answer is option A, net national income at factor cost. Similarly, likewise, question number 28. Hypothecation is applicable in the case of option A, movable goods, option B, immovable property, option C, book debts, option D, corporate guarantee. The correct answer is option A, movable goods. Question number 29. Banking sector comes under which sector? Option A, service sectors. Option B, manufacturing sector. Option C, realty sector, and option D, industrial sector. The correct answer is option A, service sectors. Today's last question, question number 30. A company which pulls money from investors and invests in stocks, bonds, shares is called option A bank, option B, an insurance company, option C, bancassurance, option D, mutual fund. The correct answer is option D, mutual funds. Thank you for watching our video. This much for today's, and if you want to know more about the MCQs of banking, please check the link in the description box below, and for more information please visit our channel and subscribe our channel. Thank you.